Hello, how are you all? Today we are going to learn how to change background colors in Video Scribe. Okay, go to background options. You have different options for backgrounds, and from here we can change background color. We have different options, different colors available in Video Scribe. We can choose any color that we want and apply it. And from here we have applied a different background color. From here we have different options to change background settings, any kind of background or any kind of color that you would like to apply it over whiteboard animation in Video Scribe. We can apply from here. There are also settings like vignette, soft vignette and hard vignette. This is soft vignetted, and similarly we can apply the hard vignetted like this. So from background settings we have different backgrounds and different colors. Whatever we would like to apply, we can apply this from here. Generally we keep a white background, but if needed we can apply different color of backgrounds.